Formulated Materials believes that safety should be the #1 priority on any job site. Please take the time to understand and follow any OSHA or state guidelines that relate to the work at hand. Excessive water in a gypsum underlayment mix will compromise the strength of an underlayment pour, resulting in inferior quality and a poor finish. Correctly executed, slump tests provide a simple, on-site method to ensure that your gypsum underlayment mix contains an appropriate amount of water. Tools required include a 2-inch diameter piece of PVC, cut to 4 inches in length, a 12-inch square piece of plexiglass, a tape measure. The tape measure is not required if you're using a Formulated Materials slump test kit, a clean pitcher or container, and a mixing stick. Step 1. Take a clean sample. Fill a pitcher or other clean container with the current underlayment mix as needed from the end of the hose. Do not take the sample from any other sources. Step 2. Keep the sample agitated. Use a clean mixing stick to keep the sample agitated until it can be poured. This will prevent the aggregate from settling and providing an inaccurate test result. Step 3. Fill the sample tube. Place the 4-inch long, 2-inch diameter piece of PVC pipe on the center of the plexiglass and fill it to the top of the tube. Step 4. Release the sample. Pull the pipe up vertically in one smooth, clean motion, allowing the gypsum to escape from the bottom. Keeping the pipe centered will help to ensure an accurate measurement. Step 5. Determine your slump. After the sample has stopped spreading, measure the diameter of spread of the gypsum. This measurement is referred to as the slump. For most Formulated Materials products and mixes, an 8.5-inch to 9.5-inch slump will provide an ideal pour. Though they may take only a few minutes on the job site, a properly taken slump test can prevent hours of costly callback labor.